Hi everyone. Under the basis of accounting theme, we learned about the cash basis of accounting in our previous video. Today we are going to learn about the advantages and disadvantages of following the cash basis of accounting. So let's begin with the advantages of following the cash method of accounting. So first is it is very simple, realistic method of accounting and based on conservative instinct it can be followed. The second is there are no judgments, no estimates involved in this accounting method because you are just accounting for the cash incomes and cash payments, cash receipts and payments. The third is it is more suitable for the organizations where most of the transactions are on cash basis. So these were primarily the advantages of following this method of accounting. Now let's understand what are the disadvantages of following the method. The first of all is it does not provide the true and fair view of financial position and the profit and loss of the organization. Why? Because it does not take into account any kind of accrued income, accrued expenses, outstanding expenses, or income received in advance. So it does not take into consideration these types of adjustments. The second point is it does not follow the matching principle of accounting. So how? Because you will record the expenses when it is paid rather than on the basis when the benefits are going to be derived. The third point is there are more chances of manipulation, of error or fraud in following the cash basis of accounting, because there could be income which could be delayed. You can receive the income, delayed income received, or you can receive income in advance. So there could be manipulation, chances of manipulation. And fourth most important point is this method of accounting is not recognized under Companies Act 2013. So these were the advantages and disadvantages of cash basis of accounting. I hope you understood it and you will be able to relate with your personal experiences and professional world as well. Do tune in for more updates on the basis of accounting, and do like and subscribe this video and this channel for more updates on accounting. Thank you.